Hello and welcome back to my channel. I decided to grow potatoes this year. I got these potato bags off Amazon. What I did was just fill them up halfway and put a potato in there that had an eye or a root, and I covered it up with soil and it started to grow. And the more that they grow up, you want to put more soil in there so that way they continue to grow more potatoes. But they're looking good. I did notice that there are flowers starting to bloom on here, and I have learned if you just pick them off, the energy goes back down to the roots. Instead of the flowers growing, it gives more nutrients to the plant, which is growing really well. Looks like kind of cherry tomatoes, but they're not. They're just regular flowers. So I'm just gonna snap them off. Pretty flowers, but I want the plant to grow more, so I'm just gonna trim these off. And I can kind of show you what they're starting to look like here. I don't know if you can see the roots, but looking pretty good. So what I've learned is when these start to turn yellow, the leaves, that means that you're ready to go through your potato bags. So yeah, thanks for watching and have a great day.